Hi guys, today we are making an orange cake. To the sifted self-raising flour, add in a little bit of salt, bicarbonate of soda, and a little bit of baking powder. Mix and set this aside. In a separate bowl, add in your sugar, the rind of the oranges, cream in the margarine. Now mix in the juice of the oranges, followed by the eggs with vanilla essence mixed in, and a little bit of oil. Now add in all of the dry ingredients and fold in. Be careful not to overmix. Now pour the batter into a greased and lined dish and bake at 180 degrees for between 35 to 40 minutes or until a skewer comes clean. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.